kitchen. We'll do some chicken today. I wash the chicken with vinegar. And this is boneless breast, chicken breast that I'm just washing with the vinegar. You don't keep the vinegar on it too long because it will cook it. Right, see?
Yeah.
Also, today we're doing I want to do some curry chicken. But I just come in from work. Yeah, work. And I'm tired. So I just do the boneless, you know. Oh, it's a good job. Alright, that good.
You know, that's a great injustice for me.
Because
I love the bones.
Yeah, but I can't bother with the soaking of the chicken and all of that now, you know. You understand? And then we're going to put the ingredients them on it. Let me clean off my hand. I have some culantro, shadow benny, scallion, cilantro, ginger, and some olive powder or something. I have thyme, I have curry. I find curry, this you say. Where the curry name? Better Pack?
Jamaican curry.
Jamaican curry.
That's the wrong packaging though.
Oh, in the right container. Wash the chicken and I have them ingredients here. What am I going to put in it? Hold the camera over there. I have scallion. I have a piece of ginger. I have to go clean it up. I have a little bit of shadow benny. I have some cilantro. I have an onion here, so. Red onion I have no white onion.
What's shadow benny?
Shadow benny, this. Culantro. The Spanish people them use it. The people them from Trinidad. It have a nice gingery limey type of flavor. You understand? I know say you don't like them sitting there, but it's foreign thing. You understand? It's not so local Jamaican curry. It's foreign curry. So that's why we have to foreign it up. You get me? And say, use this?
No.
So one for use. I can't take the piece of onion, you know. She want me use piece of onion, ladies and gentlemen. One piece of onion. See? That one source a piece of onion.
If it's not enough, then you make it up with the purple one. But purple onion is not really to cook food like this.
I wait for though.
Salads and...
So why you have to twang the salad? You say salad. You can't just say salad. 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 I'm going to put the onion. See, I want more onion. Because folks, when you're cooking something like this, where you know, say you're not doing a whole heap of marinating, a marinade.
But it don't need a lot of marinating anyway. It's chicken breast. It absorbs flavors easily.
Right, but you still have to put enough of the ingredients in it. You understand? And that's the thing about it, you know. You have to put enough of the ingredients in it to make the thing turn up. You see me?
I heard you.
So, I cut up my scallion now, my green onion.
That's enough scallion to compensate for everything else.
Too much scallion?
I'm just saying it's enough to compensate for everything else.
Yeah, but you see, through me is a foreign chef. You have to make it look foreignish. And this at the time, this are too much time? Tell me, ladies and gentlemen, not too much time that?
It can never be too much time.
Oh. How about the dish? And
the dish is clear.
So, and this is how you do it. You just go so. See there? You just go so. You just go so. You understand? Oh, I forget to say you have English speaking people watching me. You go like this. Let me translate. You go like this. You know, go so. Alright? And yeah, once you get your thyme stuff off, yeah, I leave back a little piece of thyme there. I'm gonna put the shadow benny next. Now, once again, this is not something where we use in Jamaica so often, you know. But we in foreign, so we have to work with the foreign ingredients, and the Spanish people them use this a lot. Trust me.
That smells just like cilantro.
Yeah, it's a little bit on that side. But you see, like how the cilantro no hold up as strong as this. All right, so now I put ginger and I put garlic in here. Probably about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. I put enough. And I put a good piece of ginger in there. The wife there said the ginger too much, but hey. Alright, now I'm gonna put some paprika, my powdered seasoning. Alright, little bit of paprika, I don't want the color too deep. I'm gonna put some garlic salt, just a little bit. I'm gonna put some garlic powder. And I love garlic, so bear with me. I'm putting some adobo, and that's why I put a little bit of garlic salt, because I'm putting adobo. And the adobo has salt. I'm using a little bit of egg powder. Again, this is mainly for color. It has a little bit of flavor, you know, but it has a nice color. I'm using this mixture. It's a spice blend that I made. And the bottle is not, what is in it is not in the bottle, but this is a spice blend that I made. And it's very good. It works for almost everything, you know. So I'm adding that to it. And if you notice, I'm not adding my curry. I'm going to put the curry in the pot. I make the curry burn, you know, make the curry cook in the pot. I'm going to use some coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil, to do the curry with, so that it, you know, again, flavor enhancement. Added my coconut oil, sorry, and incorporate this. And trust me, it smells good. It look good. It almost look like curry in there already, don't it? Yep, that's how you do the thing. And I'm pretty much just gonna leave this for probably 10 minutes or so, you know, if so long. I make it just marinate just a little bit, and then we're ready to do a thing. Over here we have some white rice that we're gonna have with our curry, and as you can see, jasmine rice at that too, you know, and it'll go on good. Put a little piece of thyme in there, cut up some scallion in there to give it flavor, you know. And trust me, this is almost ready. Just make it go and soak a little bit more, and it's good to go. It hasn't been 10 minutes, you know, it's nearly been 10 minutes, but I'm ready to put this in. And I'm just adding everything into my stock pot, or my Dutchie. Jamaicans call this Dutchie. And what you want to do is, you want to sort of stir fry, sort of, you know. And I was gonna add the curry to the oil and make the curry burn, but me never remember. So never add the curry now. I notice me add it over the side and make it just stay there and go and cook. Yeah? There's no, you can't make no mistake when you have do this type of food. Yeah? You understand? Just make sure the curry get into the oil and make the oil burn it a little bit over there. See it? Cause you do so much something and you hungry that take me. Yeah. So watch this now. You see that? Can't go wrong, folks. Can't go wrong. And you pretty much want to stir fry this on medium to high heat, you know, until the chicken cook before you do anything else. Alright? Want a little more curry? You just add the curry to the pot. And trust me, you will not, you won't even know, so that the curry added later on when everything is done. You understand? Because once you allow the curry to cook like how I'm allowing it to cook right there, you're good to go. See? Once it gets to that stage, you just incorporate it again into your meat. And you have curry chicken. You have to know, let me tell you, we do some different style of cooking, versatile style of cooking nowadays. You know, change up the routine and the regular and the mundane. You know, and make everything look nicer, everything look more special. The whole house smell good, smell nice, yeah. Yeah. Just as the chicken starts to get white, you know, that's where you want to start to allow the cooking now, the cook down process now to go on, right? And pretty much how you allow that to happen now is you allow you take your pan where you have the chicken in it and you tip some water in it. Yeah? So you tip some water in it like that now and you add that. Where you start now is the cooking process. The stir fry part of it done. So that's cooking part now. Right? This is gonna be a gravy now and all of them things that are gonna simmer down. Yeah? See there? And whatever curry had remained that wasn't totally cooked, this is the time and the space now where that are gonna get cooked. Yeah? Now I'm gonna add to this my favorite ingredients whenever I'm doing a curry dish, especially curry chicken. I always like my coconut milk. So this is some half a package or a quarter of a package of Grace coconut milk that I reconstituted. And I'm just adding that again, my flavors them half a turn up, yeah? I'm just add this to it now, and what I'm gonna do now is just cover my pot. See how my curry all splash up on the stove, cha. The media thing that I can't take in a start. No splashing curry, no splashing. So cover my stove. By the time I go beard and tidy and everything, my food's supposed to sort out. Our pot has reduced considerably. All of this flavor now was intensified. And pretty much it's ready for lock off, you know, ladies and gentlemen. Trust me. Nice. I try it already. But the last thing I'm gonna add is some green bean. I really did want green bean alone, but the peas and carrot they did on special. So a peas and carrot I had. And I gonna try. May I try see if I can get out the most of the carrot. And when them say peas and carrot, them want to pull up the something of carrot. So I'm gonna try see if I can get out most of the carrot out of this and just add the peas. Even if I may have to add them one. So I'm gonna add my peas. Yeah, I'm adding them one. And then here's my finished dish, ladies and gentlemen. Curry chicken with green peas and no bone, you know, breast, you know, what you call it, the boneless breast. And this is how it turned out. Nice, ready for eat. May I tell you the truth. This is the wifey plate, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, I know so she got happy with that one, yeah. So Yardie belly once again, I just cut up some sweet pepper, the miniature sweet peppers, and I use some cilantro to garnish. Try this in your neck of the woods, no? And see how you like it.